Hello, baby bus.
Hello, please get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
The next stop is the supermarket. Let's go!
The barrier can only be lifted after completing the puzzle.
This is the supermarket. The teacher said you need to buy some things and take them to the kindergarten.
Let's buy some new stationery and a...
Welcome! Choose a shopping cart. Next, let's go buy what we need together. School bag. Notebook. Scissors. Water bottle. Towel.
Put the items here.
Put the money into the coin slot.
Thank you for helping me get everything I need. Hello, baby bus.
Hello, please get on the bus.
Please choose a seat for me.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
The next stop is the photo studio. Let's go! This is the photo studio. The teacher said you need to take a photo and take it to the kindergarten.
Let's go take a photo.
Welcome.
Could you take my photo?
Okay, what kind of photos do you want? Photo for kindergarten admission. Portrait photo. Photo for kindergarten admission. All right, let's go change clothes first.
Tap the screen to focus and make the picture clearer. Adjust the distance and aim at the headshot frame.
What a nice picture.
Thanks! Tap the screen to focus and make the picture. Adjust the distance and aim at the headshot frame.
That's a nice shot.
Thanks! I've taken the photo! Let's go! Hello, baby bus!
Hello, please get on the bus.
Please choose a seat for me.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks!
I've picked up all the kids. The next stop is the hospital. Let's go.
The bus is a little dirty. Please help me wash and clean it up. Welcome to the car wash. Let's clean the car. First, drag the water sprayer to rinse off the mud. Tap the button to spray the cleaning fluid. Scrub the car clean. Now rinse off the foam. The car is clean. You are like an expert.
Baby bus, go! Stop at a red light, go at a green light. This is the hospital. Have a physical checkup before going to kindergarten.
Let's go get him.
Place them based on their colors. Place them based on their colors. Place them based on their colors. Place them based on their... Yes, that's the right place. Tap the button to match the color. Yes, that's it. The check is finished. Your heart rate is normal.
Thanks.
Check the weight and height. Mew Mew, weighs 14 kilograms. Let's write the numbers on the board. Yes, that's it! Stamp on this, then based on the... Yes, that's the right place! Tap the button to match the color. Yes, that's it! The check is finished. Your heart rate is normal. Thanks! Check the weight and height. Mew Mew weighs 14 kilograms. Let's write the numbers on the board. Yes, that's it! Stamp on the numbers.
Mew Mew's height, 83 centimeters.
Let's write the numbers on the board. Yes, that's it! Stamp on the numbers. Check your eyesight. See which way the E goes. Slide now. Not this direction. Try. Yeah, that's the right direction. Not this direction. Try. Yeah, that's the right direction. Yeah, that's the right direction. Yeah, that's the right direction. All correct. You have very good eyesight.
Thanks!
Check the listening. Listen to the sound and guess the animal. Puppy.
Bird. Kitten. Thanks! The physical checkup is done. Let's go to kindergarten.
This is kindergarten!
This is the classroom. We'll have lessons in here. Let's introduce ourselves. I'm your teacher, Miss May May. My name is Mew Mew. I'm Kiki. My name is Hank. I'm Lulu.
Kiki, Mew Mew, Hank, and Lulu. Now that you've gotten to know each other, so you're friends now. Now it's time to make a craft. Let's make a little windmill.
Hooray! Handcrafting time.
First, cut out the decorative border for the paper cup.
spread out the paper cup. Paint the cup with a pretty color. Wow! The colors you painted are so pretty. Use a small thumbtack to secure the windmill. At last, finish it with a straw. Awesome! What a beautiful windmill you've made. It's snack time. Let's snack together. It's time for a snack. None of you are picky eaters. You're good kids. Everyone has done a great job today. Now let's give a little red flower to the best behaved kid. Which kid would you like to give the red flower to? Thanks! School is out. Get on the baby bus and go home now.
Baby bus, go! Send the kids home safely one by one.
Bye, baby bus.
Bye, kids. I'll pick you up tomorrow.